Okay guys, today is the day. I am so excited to be bringing you this video. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, even me. Today is the final reveal of the kitchen. And not only does that mean that you guys get to see what has transpired over the last 5 weeks, but it also means that I get to be done. And that's a big deal because it's taken every last second of my time to get this thing done, and it's been a fantastic experience. It's been a learning experience. There are a lot of things that when I went into this, I wasn't 100% sure about, but at the same time, I'm one of those people that has to learn by doing, so that was really the best way for me to learn. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. Welcome to my channel if you are returning, and welcome if you're new. I'm glad you guys are here. Let's get into it. When we moved into this house in March of 2014, it was at a time when we really needed a place like this. It was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on its own property with a yard and decent-sized carport, not to mention the fact that it was in a somewhat decent area of town with everything you could need surrounding it. Grocery stores, schools, hospitals, doctors, dentists, you name it, it's within 1/2 mile from this house. This home promised to be a new chapter in our lives with so many memories in store. This is a frontier mobile home that was originally built somewhere between 1978 and 1980. When we moved in, it had very old carpet that smelled musty. The living room had 3 dingy beige walls with 1 feature wall with the old 70s brown paneling. The kitchen still had most of its original manufactured print walls, as well as mint green walls on the side of the kitchen door. And then of course the cabinets, countertop, and pantry were all that old 70s brown particle board. Needless to say, it was seriously outdated and in terrible need of some TLC. In 2020, I asked my family if they would like to be included in a painting party at our house. We had decided to paint the living room white and to finally rid ourselves of the old brown paneling and beige walls, and to give our home a fresh, bright look that would bring up our spirits. Once it was done, it was like taking a breath of fresh, crisp air that was desperately needed. Next, in 2021, we put our stimulus checks back into the economy by having new carpet installed. All of a sudden, our allergies started to go away, and now we had a beautiful new floor with grays, browns, whites, and beige. It was a perfect color scheme to match our furniture and allowed us to decorate the way we wanted to. Now in 2023, we've decided to stay here at least another year or so, and a kitchen makeover was already in our sights. It felt as though it took forever to get to this point, and it could be done. While I did have a little help from 3 of my family members, most of what was done was accomplished by yours truly. This video is truly a testament to where there's a will, there's a way, and you can accomplish anything you put your mind to. These were 2 sayings that my grandfather used quite often when he wanted to impart wisdom or offer encouragement. What you see here is a sheer determination and an end goal, not just for me, but for my family and for you guys. I hope that this video is encouraging, insightful, and inspiring. I am encouraged and look forward to the day that I am blessed to buy my own home. Because of this makeover, I'm one step closer to being able to make over my own house. I wish you all the very best day. Make sure to stay till the end. This final reveal is one that you don't want to miss.
Be someone you love and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow. When all your hope is silenced, can't find the silver lining, all tangled up inside, and you wanna hide, you can run to me. And when you're feeling lonely, ain't got no one to hold you. It don't matter where they ran to, you'll be alright. You can run to me. You will make it real clear all your life. You can run to me. You can run to me.
Strong, need to get yourself together.
Okay guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Just 5 weeks ago, this kitchen was in desperate need of change. And now, without further ado, welcome to the final reveal.
I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. Reaching out for sunbeams, grasping at the light, soaking in the warmth of peace beyond a fight. You have dreamt of walking, slowly taking time, figuring the knots.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing what some paint and elbow grease will do. From the sponged on backsplash to the hardware on the cabinets, the table and the pantry, I am just so in love with how this makeover turned out. It's exactly what I had seen in my head when I was designing this space. Some of the materials were a little challenging to use, but it's done now and we truly enjoy our new kitchen. Thank you all for being here with me today. I truly enjoy bringing you guys this kind of content. If you like today's video, please hit the like button below. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please be sure to subscribe for all the future makeover and DIY videos coming in the future. And from my home to yours, I wish you the very best day. Until next time.